Hi everybody, we're back for another video. You'll see I have a little piece of Happy Mail today coming from Mystic Little Gifts and Company. See that right there? Just gonna open this up. Let's see. Oh my goodness, there's a sparkly sticker in there. Okay. So there's a sparkly little sticker that says, "Do something green today." And here is her business card from Mystic's Little Gifts. And it's like a Project Life card. "My fearless freedom lights up the world." That's cute. Now, let's see what we have here. Ooh, this is an A6. There we go. Get that out of the way. And you'll notice it has a snap. This is an A6. Ooh, you can smell the leather too. It is an A6 size. This leather is what she calls Raven. It is one of her like oil line leathers. It reminds me of a leather that, there you can see her mark. It reminds me of a Foxy Fix leather. It reminds me of their, what was that leather called? Boss Babe Madison. It's a, it has structure, but it's a little bit on the soft side. It smells amazing. And you'll see I have 2 pockets, 4 elastics. A little hard to see because it's black on black. And it has a snap closure. That's something different for me. I went with a snap closure. I wanted to see, what it was like. It reminds me of my Filofax notebooks, having that snap closure there. But it's a TN, and it's A6 size, and I've been using this one for the last, month and a half or so. And you'll see it doesn't have a pen loop, but let's see. I've got some inserts here that I've been using for the last little while. Now, let's see. So here is my monthly calendar. This one is my monthly tracker that I've just been using now for a month. And it's the most I've used a monthly tracker ever. This one is my weekly from September until December of this year. Looks like Lila might jump up and say hey. And then this last one right here is a grid notebook. Let's put that in. And then this right here is 2 Project Life cards that I taped together with some just Scotch tape. And then this right here is a double-sided sticker sheet that I stapled in there, kind of like an insert. And so I've got some of those old Monster stickers and some other little florals and some tabs. Now that I did because my old one didn't have pockets. That one I set in the elastic. I think I might put it back here. And then I wonder, oh, it looks like it might fit. Now, this one is a little bit wider than Come on, go in. It's a little bit wider than my Lady Falcon Traveler, so it looks like it'll fit so much more. Oops, I had something on the... Wow, look how nice. This is going to fit a lot of stuff. I like the height of it. It smells wonderful. And there it is with one of my Pentel pens. That looks so cute. Also, what I can do is I can put that card in there. And it's Anna at Mystic's Little Gifts and Company. I will link them down below. I don't have a code with them, but Rochelle at Scrapcraftastic does. And what I will do is I will link Rochelle at Scrapcraftastic. I will link her code. I can't remember how much her discount is, but it'll give you a discount off of your purchase with Mystic's Little Gifts and Company. And it is a cute, look at that. And it's got shiny silver. It has a silver button, snap. I really like that. And then right there, that hold it in place in the back. That is really nice. Okay, so this is my new A6 Raven. Beautiful, and the stitching is black. You can see all the way around how beautiful the stitching is. It's a really soft, and she says it's like her oil line. It's really soft. It has structure, but it's soft. It's really interesting. It kind of reminds me of the black Midori leather a little, except the Midori leather on the inside is, or at least mine was when I got them, a little bit rougher. This is really smooth. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.